National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard has issued a flash flood warning for north central Ventura County and southwestern California until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a nearly stationary thunderstorm producing heavy rain over the Lockwood Valley and vicinity. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, highways, streets, and low-water crossings. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lockwood Valley and surrounding areas. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. In hilly terrain, there are many low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Sandberg on a frequency of 1